screen Monday afternoon. I have a small introduction to this film. A couple years ago, I found this story during the shooting of Memoirs of Geisha. After I read the book, some warm feeling remained in my heart. As an actor, I want to convey the same feeling to an audience. I had a really strong impact, and I felt I wanted to make this film no matter what. I wrote the letter to the author in the middle of the night. It was the beginning of this movie. Exactly a year ago, this movie opened in Japan. So many people came to the theater, and they shared the same feeling I had. And now, I hope you will find this film a movie. Enjoy it. Thank you.